Hello everyone, welcome to Nifa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to peel your beans in a very simplest way. I hope you guys can see I have my beans here. So all what you need to do is just to add water, so just leave it to soak for just 2 minutes. Guys, this is 5 minutes after. The other time I said 2 minutes, I was busy doing something else. So this is 5 minutes after. So this is what you should be looking at. So the next thing to do is just to take your blender and pull this inside, just that way, and add a lot of water. I'm adding water just like this, and then close, just and stop, just that way, then open. So you guys, can you see that everything is pure ready? So you repeat the same process until you are done with it, and I will show you guys when I'm washing it to see that it's very easy to wash. You guys can see, just that's it. So I'm going to repeat the same process till I'm done with it, but make sure you add a lot of water. Alright guys, so it is now the time to wash the beans. So all what you need is just a sieve. Any type you have is good. Now, I hope you guys can see me. So you still turn the same water back inside. What you need to do is just use your hand to turn it around, then again. Easily make sure that your beans thing come down through this, just the particles of the beans. Squeeze the water out, put it aside. I hope, can you guys see it? This is just the second time of doing this. repeat the same process like 3 times before changing the water. Now it is time to change the water. Make sure that the water cover the beans. So you're doing this just to make all the dirty float on the water. Then we turn again. Is reducing. You can see what I'm doing, just to make sure that the beans is well clean. Yeah, so I hope you guys can see it now. I hope you can see how clean it is. So next thing to do now is just to add another water to soak it for some minutes before blending it. Oh, I want to heat Moi Moi. I want to heat Akara. Oh, it's very difficult to peel the beans. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. This is just the simplest way to peel your beans and get it done. All right. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. I'm going to be showing you how to make Moi Moi. All right. Bye.